Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's Joelle here. Today I'm doing an updated 2019 my curly hair routine video. I have, I think, like 3B hair. I have like a mixture of different textures of hair, so I'm just going to be sharing my updated routine. So first I'm going to take a spray bottle with just water and I'm going to spray my hair with it until it is damp enough so that I can brush it out. To take my Denman brush, I absolutely love this brush. It gives me some super defined curls, so I really recommend it. I used it on my last curly hair routine video, but now I'm just going to brush it out so that I have less tangles in my hair, which makes it easier for me to distribute my hair products. Okay, now for step 2, I'm going to be taking my first product, and this is the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream by Cantu. Friend Angelina recommended this to me, and she has like wavy hair, so it also works for her, and I decided I would try it out, and I absolutely love it now, and I'm using it like every day. And I'm going to take about a quarter size or more, that's a little bit more, yeah, of that product and distributing it into one side of my hair. And I don't know if you can see here, but I'm really trying to get in different sections of the hair, trying to get product on every single piece of my hair so that I don't have any frizziness. Well, as you can see here, I'm going in with my Denman brush and kind of make the curls more clumped together so that I can separate them later and just get more definition, if that makes sense. Now for step 3, I'm going to be taking my second and actually final product, and this is the DevaCurl Light Defining Gel. This gel is perfect because it's not very crunchy, so it doesn't dry as crunchy as a regular gel would. And I have the big bottle so I can get larger amounts, and this I got about the same amount as the other product, and I'm just distributing it into my hair, and I don't really want to break the curl pattern, so I'm not doing it too rough. I'm kind of just laying it over. And it is okay if the product is still showing. If it has like little white flakes, it will disappear once it dries, unless you put like a big amount in a certain area, because these products, they don't stay this color that it's kind of showing up as. And finally, I'm just scrunching my curls so that my curls are scrunched up in the drying process. After doing one side, I will now do the other side. I usually do both sides at the same time, but just for the purpose of the video, I did one side to show you the steps in order. And also, one thing I forgot to mention, yes, I did get bangs since the last time I saw you guys. They're already growing out, so I'm not going to be having them straight down the middle. And unfortunately, they also got heat damage because I have straightened my hair. Okay, now moving on to the last step, I'm going to be taking out my blow dryer and make sure it has the right cap, because the little things sticking out of it are meant for curly hair. And I am putting it on a low blow drying and a medium heat setting. Now this part is totally optional, so you do not have to blow dry your hair because it can cause more frizz, but I'm just doing this to speed up the process, and I'm blow drying it from like 45 to 75% dry depending on how long of the time I have, but it's also a really good idea to let it air dry. Alright Alright guys, this is the final look of my curly hair routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you. If it did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.